Every year, it seems that Black Friday's deals are happening earlier and earlier in the year, and this is no exception. Here at ZDNet, we have rounded up some of the best and hottest deals that Best Buy is offering this holiday season. And to make it super easy for you, right below this video, we have all of the links to take you to these deals. First up, we have an Insignia 58-inch Class F30 4K TV for $349.99, making this TV $230 off its regular price. You can't have a Black Friday sale without great deals on TVs. So for a limited time, you can get a decently sized 58-inch 4K panel, smart features including Fire TV, and all of the slots you need, including 3 HDMI, 1 USB, and even an Ethernet port. Sticking with TV deals, Best Buy is offering a Hisense 70-inch Class A6G 4K TV for $549.99, making this a $300 off bargain. The Hisense offers all the bells and whistles of a modern smart TV, including built-in Google Voice Assistant, streaming services pre-installed, and a superb 4K panel. Naturally, if you're upgrading your TV, there's a good chance that you're going to be in the market for a new soundbar or system. Best Buy has a Samsung 7.1 channel soundbar for $279.99, saving you $220 this Black Friday. It comes with Dolby 5.1 and DTS Virtual X technology, basically turning your living room into a theater. A different type of sound system are some Bose headphones. They are $50 off this Black Friday season. The Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones are priced at $279. These are premium over-the-ear style headphones and are a solid choice for great sounding audio. And of course, you can't forget laptop deals this Black Friday shopping season. The Lenovo Yoga 613 laptop is going for $749.99, which is $200 off its usual price. This 13.3-inch laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7, 512 gigs of SSD, and Windows 11. And of course, you get the timeless 360-degree flip and fold design. Naturally, more deals will become available the closer we get to Black Friday, and these now will be available starting November 19th. First up, you can find a Chromebook for as low as $99, making for highly affordable work machines. The retailer is not stated which model or brand will be on sale, but you can expect there to be discounts galore. Next on our list, you can save up to $100 on Fitbit smartwatches this holiday season. Fitbit makes some of the best smartwatches for fitness and health enthusiasts. While we can't confirm which devices will see a price drop, Best Buy will be discounting a range of Fitbit smartwatches and fitness trackers. Another deal coming closer to Black Friday is the Nintendo Switch Mario Kart 8 Deluxe Bundle for $299.99, starting on November 21st. Now, we know that this particular Switch edition is nothing new, but the 2-year-old bundle continues to make for a doorbuster deal every Black Friday thanks to its limited supply and great value. For the sale price of $299.99, you're essentially getting Mario Kart 8 Deluxe for free, along with a 3-month membership of Nintendo Switch Online. Sitting at the top of our best VR and AR headsets list, when you buy an Oculus Quest 2, you get a free $50 Best Buy e-gift card with an early purchase coming November 21st. The device's recent price drop to $299 for the 12 gig model makes this an even sweeter deal. Saving a sweet deal for later in the Black Friday shopping season, Best Buy will save you $150 on select MacBook Air models starting November 24th. The MacBook Air is the perfect companion for students and workers alike, providing a reliable macOS system that's lightweight and portable. We don't know which MacBook Air devices will see the sale price, but we have our fingers crossed that it'll be for the latest M1 model. If so, the MacBook will sell for as low as $849.99. Like a number of retailers have decided in the last year or two, Best Buy will have its stores closed on Thanksgiving Day so that its workers can be home with family and share Thanksgiving Day with them. Of course, shoppers with free time on Turkey Day are still able to access these deals online through Best Buy's website. We still have to wait for the most anticipated news from Best Buy, which are the Black Friday deals itself, the deals happening on Black Friday. When that ad does finally drop, be sure to stick with ZDNet. We will round up the best deals, what will save you the best money to get you the latest and greatest in tech. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the links down below. It'll get you to everything that is on sale this holiday season. As always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stick with ZDNet for all things tech.